YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So I look crazy, I know. My hair is not done, but we are at the beauty supply store. I'm just taking y'all along with me. I want to do my hair today, so I'm definitely have to go to the beauty supply store. It is actually like 9:50 something. Y'all know when the beauty supply store open, you better just hurry up and get in there. So I'm about to go. I'm a whore for the beauty supply store, so I'm definitely probably going to get way more than I need to get. I'm probably gonna get some nail polish. I'm probably gonna get some eyelash. No, actually, I need some nail polish. I need some eyelashes and hair stuff. So that's what we're about to do. And yeah, I also have to do a lot today. I have to go get my car maintenance, probably washed. I need to go get a new air filter in my car as well. Well, I guess that's part of the car maintenance, but we're going to 2 different places for that. And then other stuff, we'll see. I'm supposed to be going to a dinner later tonight, but nobody hit me up about it. So I mean, if nobody's saying nothing, I guess we're not going, you know? And I ain't gonna say nothing because, like, hey, it is what it is, you know? But yeah, so stay tuned. I'm about to take you guys in this beauty supply store with me because why not? I want a shopping buddy, so that's what you guys are. And yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So I got hungry, so I stopped at McDonald's, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Chapel Beauty. So I got a lot, y'all. So I got this comb because I do hair. You can never run out of neck combs. Well, run out of any type of combs. What am I trying to say? You can never run out of combs, okay? I get a comb probably every time I go to the beauty store. Then I got some hair accessories. Y'all will see the style. I'm definitely recording the tutorial. Then I have a pack of eyelashes. Do I even like these? Now that I'm looking at them, I don't like them. We'll see, because I gotta put them on today. I don't have any eyelashes, but I would buy. Why buy a whole pack? I got some press-ons. I love press-ons. Oh, hold on one second. Okay. Got my McDonald's. I got a sausage biscuit and a little smoothie, whatever. Okay, I'm back. I'm dressed. I'm gonna show you my outfit later, but yeah, I'm pressed for time. I don't have time to actually do my hair in the style that I was talking about because the style doesn't take long. It's the recording it for the tutorial that does.
Excuses! How am I supposed to trust you when all you give me are excuses?
So I'm about to just keep my hair the way it is because yeah, it's 11:13 and I have to be at my car appointment by 1. Yeah, so I'm just about to clean this up a little bit. Put the hair that's supposed to go up. Do I want to put these down? I do want to put these down. Y'all already know. I'm a whore for them sideburns. Oh, that's too much, girl. Okay, I'm gonna wet these later. But yeah, so yeah, y'all want to see that. And then after I, slick this up and make it real for y'all, then we're going to go back through my Chapel Beauty. What am I trying to do? Recollect myself. After I get my hair together, which shouldn't take that long because I mean it's already kind of done, we're gonna go through my Chapel Beauty purchases so you guys can see what I got. I like when you guys go shopping with me. I couldn't record because I just ended up getting way more than I was supposed to, and yeah, my hands started getting full, so I was just like, yeah, and I knew if I would have recorded, I would have got even more stuff because I don't know, when I'm on camera I really feel like you guys are in person with me, and if I go to the beauty What the frick is up? If I go to the beauty supply store with people, I spend more money. And it has nothing to do with like me feeling pressured to spend the money, because I ain't gonna spend it if I don't want to. But it's just like, I don't know, on camera you want to show everybody like, look at this, and then instead of just looking, I pick it up. The beauty supply store is really honestly like the worst store to ever take me in, but the best store, because I know where everything is. It could be a beauty supply, y'all, what the heck, it can be a beauty supply store that I never been to, and best believe by the time I walk in there, I can tell you where some stuff is at. So yeah, but okay, I'm gonna do my edges. No, y'all can sit with me. If I want to cut this out, I'll just cut it out, I guess. But I'm getting better with my edges, y'all, right? If I'm not, you know, y'all can tell me the truth. Like, no hard feelings. But I feel like I'm really getting better with the edges. Hold on. Okay, is that too much? I feel like I have way more. No. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie artichoke. Okay. So now I'm about to brush this up, because is this supposed to go inside with me? Okay. About to use my Eco Styler and my black girl brush. I thought I didn't have it. I was about to cry. That shit. Y'all think this is evenly proportioned? I feel like with natural hair, like, don't look at the back of my head, okay? Obviously, it's not parted correctly, and I don't care. Oh, I do care. I'm lying. I really do care. That's why I'm trying not to look, because I would spend a whole hour trying to part that. I went OD with the Eco Styler. Oh my gosh. Okay. Like, girl, you do not need that much Eco Styler. Okay. Make sure you brush those edges, little pieces up. Y'all, I got hair. I got hair for sale. It makes me so happy. I don't even want to use this. Aww. Got the wrong hair tie. Oh well, whatever. I don't like using these small ones now because I got hair. Like, your girl got hair. She don't need to use little small baby ones. What the heck? Every time I freaking go to put the hair tie on, I get another lump. Suck at freaking ponytails. Okay. This would be perfect if I had a little clip claw. I'm such a kid. Look like somebody's baby sister. I hate doing my edges after I put the ponytail. Oh my gosh. Does that look bad, y'all? Whatever. Okay. We just gonna leave that alone. Don't mess with it. I don't care about these curls. These are really like braided curls and Bantu knot curls put together, but whatever. Now I'm gonna get my water. Wet this up a little bit. Why are you doing that? Okay. And put a little Eco Styler. Hold on. Girl, you were not supposed to. You know what? I just sprayed my eye. I'm so glad I didn't put those eyelashes on yet. But I'm quick with it though. Like, it didn't go in my eye because of how smooth I am. Okay. Because this one acting crazy. Okay. I do still need to brush it down. But like, that curl can stay. Okay. And I want to put some Eco Styler. I think the Eco Styler is what's making my hair get like that stringy curl. I should just left the water. Oh my GG. Okay. At this point, ignore them. They're gonna do what they do. I don't care at this point. Okay, so now I'm about to show you guys what I got from Shop. Case, come here. Hold on, y'all. So I'm back. I want to show you guys what I got from Chapel Beauty. So, okay, first and foremost, oh yeah, because I was rudely interrupted at McDonald's, so I definitely have to show you guys what I got from Chapel Beauty, because like in my car I don't have a stand, and actually I'm glad I'm recording this. I do not have a stand in my car anymore, so actually I need to go get that first before anything. But yeah, so these eyelashes, they already look, I like them. They look cute. I like them. But okay, so I got eyelashes, a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It literally says 5 pairs, and I counted. Whatever. Then I got some press-ons. Yeah, love me some press-ons. I got some hair jewelry for when I do my hair. Stay tuned for that tutorial. Got a comb because, like I said, you can never go wrong with too many combs. I need these. They break, they do everything. And doing my hair religiously and doing other people's hair, I need combs. So I get one every time I go to the beauty. Every time I go to the beauty supply store. What the heck is wrong with my speech? Okay, so that's done with that bag. Then I got this pink nail polish. It's called Girl Talk. I got this glitter nail polish called Pure Blush. I got a clear quick dry coat because I definitely need a top coat. And lip gloss. Well, lip gloss and like lip butter, I'm guessing. This is a shea butter one. This is literally my lip combo. Even though y'all don't care, of course, because I mean, it's not like it's anything spectacular, but oh my gosh, that was too much. And I like this because this is not like sticky, in my opinion. And this together just, I love it. But yeah, I've never got mint before. I like it. Picasso. But yeah, so this is my lip combo. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got. It's not that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 items. And technically, we don't even consider them 10 items because, excuse me. Comb, 1. Lashes, 2. This, 3. Right? And then these are 4 because they together. These are 5. And these are 6. So y'all thought I got 10 items, but I really got 6. Yeah. Okay, now it's time to go. It's only 11:35. What can I do? I don't know. I'm on time. This is weird. Oh, I can go get my case. Okay, so yeah, I mean not my case, my stand. So yeah, I'll be back. Definitely gotta go get a stand because I want to talk to you guys in the car. That's my favorite time to talk. So yeah, I'll be back. See you guys later. This is my outfit. It's giving very much legs. Oh, don't look at my feet. These are my house shoes. But yeah, it's giving very much legs. Now I'm about to put lotion on. I'm ashy, y'all. But yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so y'all, my day is just completely just all over the place because I had an appointment for my oil change at 1 o'clock. It's now currently 4. What did I have an appointment for if it was gonna take that long? So anyways, my car got serviced with all the other extra stuff, and now let me turn the air off. Oh my gosh, it's fucking hot. But now I'm not doing nothing else. I didn't go get a stand. I didn't go get my car washed. I didn't go get it detailed. I didn't do any of that. Like, I'm hungry, okay? Your girl's hungry. So I'm getting me some Chinese food. And that's it. That is it, okay? That is all. Like, I'm about to get this Chinese food and be a happy camper because I'm hungry. And me hungry, I don't care about anything else. So yeah. They give us this box like we just got this from Aldi's, y'all. But got my food. I get shrimp fries, shrimp lo mein, and You know that's how it's tricking. But yeah, I'm a happy girl, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'll be back.